on the Barbie Holiday Sparkles. This is Darling. First, we have the box, and it's a Target exclusive. It's only at Target. There's an arm when you come back to and from when they gift us as a gift. It is opening the Holiday Sparkle. It has a handle, which the handle matches these sparkles. It's pink, blue and dark pink, silver, and blue. And it has some little Christmas trees and houses. We have Barbie just to give to the dog, and it looks like it's holding a present for her, maybe. And you can do as many as you want. Here is the doll. She has a shawl, and it has some silver, like some little beads. And it actually is really knitted, which I really like. And you can take that off, like that. She has a red dress, which is really pretty. It has some silver, and it has a bunch of ornaments. Has some fur. There's even more in the back. And she has some silver high heels, which kind of match this. She has this little present you can open up so you can put like your shoes in it. But you also can close it up like this. I think. Yeah. Have some hot cocoa. Has a red cup. Some cookies. Everyone has a little bite in it. This one is on the pink plate. Had this pretty stocking, and the hanger is yellow, and it's pink. And some fur, so I can put something like a shoe. We have this pink purse, some little shoes, which look fuzzy, and this pretty dresser. This is our A-Trap, which the same yellow as this. Has some gingerbread man, candy, some candy canes. This is Barbie around it. And even some cupcakes. I think a lollipop too.